fuzzy, fuzzy,
fuzzy, fuzzy,
fuzzy, fuzzy, fuzzy, fuzzy, fuzzy, fuzzy, fuzzy, fuzzy. Dessert,
dessert, dessert,
dessert, dessert, dessert, dessert, dessert, dessert, dessert, dessert, dessert.
It's part of the British Pronunciation Guide mini-series.
Sure.
So how do you create
Sure.
a Z sound in a standard British English accent? Well, the Z can be made in slightly different ways, all with slightly different qualities.
Fuzzy.
One of the most typical ways is to make a narrow groove between what's called the blade of your tongue, which is the bit just behind the tip of your tongue, and what's called the alveolar ridge, which is the bumpy ridge about 1/2 centimetre or 1 centimetre behind the back of your top teeth. And when you create this space, the tongue goes into a little narrow V-like groove, and the vibration travels over the blade of your tongue and out through your mouth. The jaw is loose, the teeth and the lips are relaxed apart, and for some people, the tip of the tongue is hovering near to the alveolar ridge, and for others, the tip of the tongue is buried down behind the bottom teeth. Either way, the sound goes like this. Zzz.
Zzz.
Zzz. And it's voiced, so it buzzes through your throat. You might want to put your hand just on your larynx. Zzz.
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 And it's
Dessert.
words like these.
Zzz.
Zoo.
Zoo.
Zip.
Zip.
Lazy.
Lazy.
Crazy.
Crazy.
Ozone.
Ozones.
Buzz.
Buzz.
Freeze.
Freeze.
Breeze.
Breeze.
It's amazing.
It's amazing.
Look at the horizon.
Look at the horizons.
Please come to the zoo with me.
Please come to the zoo with me.
So just to recap, a Z sound is made by creating a narrow space between the blade of your tongue and your alveolar ridge. The jaw is loose, the lips and the teeth are apart. The sound is voiced, it buzzes through your throat, and the tip of your tongue can either be down behind your bottom teeth or
dessert, dessert,
Sir. Sir.
dessert, dessert, dessert,
Dessert. 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 Dessert.